Okay, everybody, I'm doing another Best Easy Work video. For This will be like my fourth video. I think I've only uploaded one of them though, because I've got this thing going on with my camera where it has this terrible lag in it, and I'm thinking it's because it's just the camera just isn't a fast camera. So I hope it doesn't make you as dizzy as it makes me, because every time I move my head, it feels like everything's in slow motion. So, but anyway, overlook that if you can. Let's talk about Best Easy Work. Now, like I said, this is a company that's been in business for about 2 years. And the thing about Best Easy Work is, when I heard about Best Easy Work, I was sort of looking at, what makes it different, what makes it like not just another like MLM company. So let's talk about that. There's three things right off the bat that you could say that is great about this company. So I've already mentioned two of them. The first thing is that the Best Easy Work is a worldwide opportunity. So that means that you don't have to just deal with people in the United States or in Europe or like that. You can deal with anybody all over the world. If they decide they want to join this opportunity, then all they do is just they come and basically sign up. They get themselves a link that they're going to start advertising, and their money, however they pay it, they will basically take their money whatever country they're from, and get it exchanged, and they'll send their money in to pick what level of business they want to start off their business at. So it's a very unique opportunity in that sense, just because most opportunities that are worldwide tend to have a lot of little, you can't do this, you can't do that attached to them. And then the second thing that I noticed about Best Easy Work is that Best Easy Work is basically, it says it's a free opportunity. So a lot of people are like, well, it's not free, because if you join it free and everybody under you joins for free, then you won't make any money. But here's the thing. If you have a strategy and you join for free, you can turn this into whatever you want it to be. Because the thing is, you get paid to find people as a free member. Now, sure, you're not getting the full sign up that they're passing by you, up to whoever paid in at a higher amount. But the thing is, a lot of companies, you don't even get the benefit of that, because they have what's called a one-up plan or two-up plan, where you have to let one or two of your sales bypass you in order for you to be qualified to make money. And that is just a headache to me, because the thing is, I think that if you're going to join any business that has this model, what you have to remember is that there's going to be some things about it that are unpleasant. And if you're here to make some fast money, generally speaking, that's not going to happen here unless you do your advertising correctly. If you do your advertising correctly, it doesn't matter that you have two people that you have to get in before you can make any money. But if you're here and you're trying to figure out, how can I make some money, but I don't have any money to invest, that's the reason why I like this plan, because you're basically able to go from scratch. As long as you have signed into the company, you start advertising your link, you can make money, because the people that will see your link, not all of them are going to be like, well, I don't have any money. Sometimes you have the total opposite. You'll have somebody who has money and they realize, hey, I want to get in at the highest amount that I can, because this is a great plan and I can make money. In which case you got screwed, because you didn't buy in at a high enough level to make any money off of that. You're just going to get $25. Whoever bought in at a higher level than you is going to catch most of that money. So that's the good thing, and that's the bad thing, And then the last thing I really like about Best Easy Work is that Best Easy Work has several different plans or ways that you can make money outside of just putting your link out there for people to see it. So if you even if you start in and you say, well, I'm just I'm just a free member, you know, there's affiliate programs inside of it that you can put that link out too. And so basically, if you're good at advertising and getting people, influencing people to do, you know, things that, you know, you suggest, you might make more money just in some of the affiliate programs that are on Best Easy Works training page. So, you know, there's a lot of opportunity here. And it doesn't matter what this company does. It doesn't matter who, joins up, because there's always going to be that person that says, well, that's not really an opportunity. But I'm going to make a couple of videos that hopefully to explain or talk about why it is such a great opportunity. And that'll be coming up soon. So you guys stay tuned. I hope you're watching these videos and getting a feel for, you know, what's inside of Best Easy Work. If you will, I would appreciate you just going to check it out. I mean, I know that I believe that you can't make anybody do anything they don't want to do. But I feel like if you give people enough information, sometimes when they have their minds made up, they might feel differently later on. They might feel like, well, I'll go look. You know, at first they might not even want to do that. So if that's the case, please go check out my site. And the web page that you see will be exactly the same when you sign up and you get a link to advertise. The only difference in the website is just that you have your name attached to it, and so anybody who looks at that website with your name attached to it, you're going to get the benefit of it, especially if you are paid in at least one of the lower levels all the way up to the highest level. If you're a paid member, then you're going to receive more than, you know, the lowest amount that you can, which is $25. So we'll go into more detail about that later. But thanks for checking out this video. We'll talk to you later.